Hey,
Everyone. Long time no
what's up?
see. So today we're going to make a pretty cool video, of course, on AI, but on what else we can make like a video, like in general. But actually, one of our favorite tools, and again, like me and Adi are working with a lot of tools. It doesn't matter if it's Nextpost, Jarvis, a lot of other SMM panels, PhantomBuster, TextIU. We're working with a lot of softwares. Almost of them already added like AI features, but right now we're going to talk about PhantomBuster. PhantomBuster, to anyone that does not know, it's like a French company. They're making like a pretty cool an AI machine, also like lead generation machine. Like it's for really low code. Like in general, if I can put it on a scale, there is like all the contact enrichment softwares or like platforms, and then there is a PhantomBuster TextIU, like which is like really low code. Like you don't need to know like anything about coding. You don't need to know anything almost about automation. It does most of the work for you. The only thing that you need to know is the risks that are also in this automation. And again, like there are always risks like automation when you use like the automation PhantomBuster or any platform, not using my own profile. But for example, if I'm using like a Nextpost on Instagram, for example, which the idea is to grow my own account. But in general, I'm trying not to use my own account to generate leads, only if I need to be like a brand awareness. So today we're going to show you something like pretty cool. So again, like a quick recap to everyone that does not know. This is PhantomBuster. PhantomBuster has like free trial as well. You can use it like as much as you like for an hour or 2 hours at the beginning, if I'm not wrong. It has like a bunch of phantoms. Phantoms is how they call the script for each automation. They support Twitter, Instagram, email marketing, Facebook, GitHub, Reddit, Slack, Yellow Pages, YouTube, and much more, scraping from websites. And right now they added like a cool feature, like to also use an AI in the system. You can use like an AI LinkedIn Messenger writer. So for example, if you want to build a flow of like connecting to someone on LinkedIn, which by the way, all of you can actually check it out on Black Hat Growth. We have like a full section on LinkedIn automation. You can come over here and like see, we're doing it also with Java, with LinkedCamp, but also with the PhantomBuster. So you can register to our own course, and then like you see, both of them are this one, if I'm not wrong, we're doing through PhantomBuster, so you can get even like a bigger recap. But right now we are assuming that you know how to use PhantomBuster and how to connect it, but I will explain it really quick. So we need to use actually 2 slots when you set a subscription on PhantomBuster. You need to do 2 things. You can get the free trial, but once again, even if you're using an avatar, use a proxy, connect a proxy to the system. Why? Because you don't want the profile to die like really fast, because even if you generate like a couple of leads and the profile will die, what will happen that you will not be able to get the leads. So I used actually this time, I'm going to use two phantoms. I'm going to use the AI LinkedIn Messenger writer because I want the message that I'm going to send the clients to be effective. So I will generate more leads. And the other thing that I'm going to use is the connector, the LinkedIn connector. This is the other one that I'm going to use. So the AI already let's do it from the beginning actually. It will be the best. I will delete it. So all you need to do is to go to solutions, to phantoms. The first one, you need to use the AI LinkedIn Messenger writer. You can use this phantom, for example. Just 1 second. עדי, את יכולה לעצור שנייה?
Yes.
So we're going to use to phantom the AI LinkedIn message writer. I'm going to name it test just for this video. I'm going to select like what I want to use for. So first of all, you need to scrape the people that you want to send message to. You want to create a list. This is the first Phantom. I'm not going to show how to do that. But this one I use like I extracted users from LinkedIn companies that like uses proxies. So I already extracted those people. Like what PhantomBuster is going to do is going to use like all the data that it has that it has on the person, because we're scraping their LinkedIn, so we have a bunch of data on them. And then it's going to write the message that you like, that it's going to use like all the data that it's scraping. So you'll get like the best optimized like message for the people and most converting one. You need to choose like based on what you want to do that. I will connect based on similar work experience. You can do that also recruitment. You can connect to anyone. It will generate like a general message, or you can create your own custom prompt. It really depends on what you want to achieve. But this one, I will not build my own ones. They are pretty constant on the website, on the web that you can check. And this is like the instruction that it gave. That it gives them, telling them like use all the data that that you have on the same person, like it's going to put it. It was also my name, the job title that I have, and the company name. But you can actually insert like everything that you like. There are like actually like a lot of parameters that you can insert inside it. It will also like use all the data from the leads that we got. There are actually a couple of more advanced like features. You can insert actually more data. You can also put it from Excel. If you want to put it on Excel, you can just like put the URL to an Excel and then add any data that you like to take into consideration when they are writing the prompt. So this is just a cool way to do that. They actually don't require you to connect your ChatGPT account. It uses like your credits from their website. They give you like some credits they probably use with them together. I will run it only on the first 10 leads. So just to do for the testing, so you can see it over. I will launch it. Last time it took like a couple of minutes. So in the meantime, while it runs, I will set up my LinkedIn account. You'll feel like it will take a couple of minutes. I will send like my accounts to connect over LinkedIn. So we'll go to LinkedIn. I will use LinkedIn Outreach. No, I will use LinkedIn Auto Connect. I will need to wait that it will actually finish. There we go. Okay, good. It will say that it cannot use it because there is no list, but it's not true. You just need to click on profile URL, save. You need to connect your own LinkedIn. To do so, you need to have like the PhantomBuster extension. If you don't have it installed, it will tell you need to install the extension. What it actually does, it goes to LinkedIn, it takes your cookies, and then it put it over here so we can use it. And again, like it's really important. You have two rules that you need to follow. The first one is try not to use your own account. This is the first idea. The second one is to use a proxy. I'm going to tell it to use the AI message that you use to generate. And then I'm going to do going to the advanced, simulate LinkedIn dual. I will keep it the same. I will click on save. I will not use a service email discover. The idea is if you want to use like an email service like that, what will happen? They will, you know what? I will use PhantomBuster email discovery service. What it will actually do, like it will not only like message the same person, you will also get in a list their email. So if they didn't reply or use any way you want to extract their email, you can use the service. And then like what will happen at the end, I will connect to the same person with automated AI message. This is what we set up on the first time. And second of all, what it's going to do, it's going to discover the email, which means that we're going to get the email of the same person at the end of the action. So we'll be able to reach out to them also from a different way. And then I will click on launch. And then it will start to connect. I'm always, when I'm doing it, I'm waiting for the first couple of minutes. I'm going to see that everything works like really okay, that it's connecting to me. You can see that it already generated 4 leads. In the meantime, I'm going to go back to the dashboard because I want you guys to see the messages that I got. We'll go to the results. You can see that it generated those messages. Let's download it. Let's see that it will be even better. See that. Good, good, good.
Yeah, amazing that you can actually do that.
100%. For example, this is this CEO of import.io. If you guys would like his email or his LinkedIn, you can find it over here, or you can just like do it yourself. You'll find the same. But for example, a power, this is his name, not his your son, blah blah blah. So impressive skills, like writing a message which is specifically to him. I'm always keen to extend my network shell. We connect, and then like I'm taking his location into consideration, like in all his skills, like how he's related to me. And then I'm making a personalized message to him. You can see also the credits that that it's using. You can see that it's using like a different message to each of them. Depends on what they do. Like for example, no spam promise, for example. But let's go back to see the results. So this is still running. You can see that I already contacted one person. I will abort it for the meantime. I just want you guys to see the results that I got. And let's see if it's already updated. No, we need to finish it, we'll update it. So I contacted the same person that I connected to my profile. I generated the message. And in a couple of minutes, you will also be able to see their email as well. If it's found, it uses a PhantomBuster list in general. And by the way, until it will be finished, you can actually see like the lead. They added also a full section here for LinkedIn. So if you already scraped someone and you want to enrich them, you have like a full list of all the information about them to easily that you can use with the website, also with their emails as well. Let's see if it's already finished. Perfect. I'll go to the results. So you can see that I contacted those 2 people. Let's try to see if I got their emails as well this time. I hope so, but we'll see for a second. So you can see also the message they send them. No, this time I did not get their email, but in about 50% of the time you will also get like in another section here which will give you their email, but it really depends if it's in their discovery channel or not in their database. And if you actually like you will go back, let me show you one last example. So I used PhantomBuster actually for the email discovery. But if you want to do like full power on that, you need to use the enter and drop contact, and then you need to put their API keys. And then you can use it to generate like more emails during that. And you have like also a system on how many credits you're using per email. So this is the new features of PhantomBuster. I hope that you enjoyed.
Yes, I enjoyed a lot. Thank you very much. Super interesting. And also it's like you make it very simple. Just guys, before we finish, just to let you know how you can make money from what I'll just show you. One option, of course, is to get more leads to your business. As you can see, you can just automate the LinkedIn outreach. and you can send a connection message and then get more leads. Secondly, what he just showed you can also sell to clients, and this is how you can also make money. Not everyone knows about this stuff and about these tools. It's pretty new, by the way, just released by the last week, I think. So yes, if you have any more questions, feel free to comment below, join our website, Black Hat Growth, or the Telegram group as well. We would love to help you, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you so much, Tal. Thank you
Thank
very
you
much.
very much. Bye bye.